Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Got a couple things going on with this P2. We're going to replace the seat bottom cushion. This is a 01. This one is like a 06. And they attach different to the frame of the seat. This one's on with hog rings. 4 hog rings there. Hog rings down the side. And this one just clipped on with the stretch clips. So hopefully this won't be an issue. About to find out here shortly. The cushion from the 01 is a lot different from the cushion of the 06. The cushion from the 01 has hog rings to secure the seat skin to it. Cushion from the 06 has some kind of snaps in there. Those snaps these plastic things in there that secures the seat, and the hog ring goes around a metal reinforcement. So that's quite different. Plus the cushion from the 01 is a lot thicker than the cushion from the 06. Different shape too. So it felt different when we sat on it. So that seat frame from the 06 must have had some different kind of support in the seat frame as well. And you could see something was going on with the heated seat coming loose and overheating on that piece of the material. You can see the pattern of the seat heater element. A lot of heating element there. So we're gonna put holes around these metal straps and zip tie it down into this cushion. The skin from the 06 on this 01 seat. Not pushed down on the seams as much as I'd like, but it looks fine. And I had the zip tied around the edges. I could put another zip tie there if I wanted to. I got 5 down the side, 4 across the bottom and the back. So that's the skin on the 01 seat. We did hook these hooks back on the cushion, hold the cushion in place. And those hooks there. So we're ready to put this back in and install it. We found one of the motors unplugged. This motor here, that plug was unplugged somehow. Something jammed under the seat, knocked the plug loose. We swapped the radio out. The volume was not working on the radio. When you did the, oops. Radio's not working now. Oh, there it goes. My bad. Whoa, the hood's going down. Son of a gun. We have another oil drain bolt, some thread sealer, because this S70 has a oil drain bolt drip. Drips a drop of oil every once in a while, and we want that to stop. Real important to torque these on. Over tighten them, you can mess up the oil pan, you can mess up the bolt, then you get oil leaks, and nobody likes a messy driveway. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.